He's got the right idea. Look where we are, guys. Just tons and tons and tons of people, y'all. We're about to set off here in about 20 minutes. It is a good day. It is hot as all get out, but it is a good day here. Come on, Carolina, let's roll. About to set off on the meet. Many motorcycles here. Many motorcycles. Now we're going to take the next 12 hours and hook up our Sena. See y'all in a minute. We got Celtic Gorilla, we got Bash, we got Moto Mugshot behind me. And I'm sure there are plenty other vloggers here that I don't know the names of. But it's going to be totally awesome. Well, I bet we got 600 bikes here. Already? This dude in front of you, Ryan, needs to pick a lane. There's one cop that didn't know about this today. He's like, oh God, what the hell? Is this our bridge? Are there people up there? What is that? Are they just late or are we getting turned around? Oh, great. There are some Georgians cussing us out right now. I guarantee that. Georgians, I guess, not Georgians. Whoa, what the cop doing? What's that? Traffic light. Traffic light. Right along the San Francisco street. Dude, we're in the back now, man. Ask him where the group is, man. She pointed the way we're going. Cops might have shut it down. Told everybody to come back. You tell 900 motorcycles not to be stupid, the first thing they're gonna do is be stupid. There's Mad Cop. She's mad. Well, we had to live up to our reputation, so.
Do I detect a note of sarcasm?
Are you kidding me? This baby is off the charts.
Hey, what happened? I think we overwhelmed him. Yeah. He didn't realize there'd be 700 hungry motorcycles behind him. Dude, tomorrow we're gonna have to creep out of Lawrenceville at 12 miles an hour. That was our ride. It was like 8 miles. People wrecked. We came back. Here we are. I don't know what's gonna happen, but probably the ride's all over with. Good motorcycle morning. No. Here. Good motorcycle morning. I'm just kidding. You can have a sticker. Good motorcycle morning.
Oh, hell yeah.
I need more than one.
Good motorcycle morning.
Oh, give me some more. Yeah. I just want one. I'm not selfish.
Good job, man. Good motorcycle morning. Sightworks channel. YouTube. Good motorcycle morning.
What's going on?
You got to be brave to sit back there. You got to be real brave. There you go. You get a sticker. Good motorcycle morning. I'm just kidding, man. Good motorcycle morning, man.
Right.
Good motorcycle morning. Yeah. Y'all in the shade. Y'all the smartest people here. Good motorcycle morning. Good motorcycle morning. I really like your mohawk. It's kind of my style. Yeah. Here you go, man. Good motorcycle morning. Yeah, you've been there. Yeah. Good motorcycle morning. The shade's just a little bit back there. You know, I thought I'd let you know. It's really hot out here. Apocalypse is out today.
Yeah. Apocalypse has been out since yesterday.
You want to go watch Apocalypse? Let me see if my motorcycle is free. So that was the 2016 Georgia Motor Meetup. There were a lot of bikes, almost too many bikes, I guess, because somebody ended up getting in a wreck and the police turned us around. And now we're just all back here in the parking lot, just talking and stuff. So I'm gonna head to the movie with the fam. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head to the movies. That's all for the meetup.
Damn.